Hello. Today I'll introduce you to the project called Integrated Assessment of Climate Impacts on Ecosystem Function and Productivity of Critical Zone Eco-Hydrology, called also as Interaction. It's a project where we have three main countries as partner: Qatar, Italy, and United States. The overall goal of the Interaction project is to develop a framework for assessment, analysis, and management of environmental risks and impacts resulting from anthropogenic activities and climate change on water-scarce critical zone systems. The key component of this project is the stakeholder engagement as a fundamental step. We aim at developing science-based knowledge on water-scarce critical zone system sustainability through a cross-disciplinary and integrative approach that includes environmental, socioeconomic, and institutional aspects, and also multi-stakeholder perspective that will be collected as narratives. The scientific support of the long-term socio-ecological research network, which is going to be actively involved within the project, is going to be a fundamental point for developing the socio-ecological perspective of the case study-based narrative.
In Interaction, the project's scientific activities will be driven by narratives co-designed with local stakeholders and aimed at answering the social and ecological needs posed by them. The stakeholders' engagement is a fundamental step. In fact, the water-scarce critical zone is a socio-ecological system where the human and ecological interaction is the key driver of transformation.
The project Interaction focuses on 3 study sites, each located in one of the 3 participating countries, namely the United States, Italy and Qatar. The USA study area is the COSUM's groundwater basins, located south of Sacramento in the Central Valley. The Italian study area is the Torre Guaceto Protected Wetland, a WWF wildlife heritage, located along the Apulian coast in south-eastern Italy. Lastly, the Qatar study area is the Central North Aquifer System, part of the Ras and Raduma formations. All the 3 water bodies present similar issues such as overexploitation, salinization and decrease in water quality.
The added value of Interaction lies in the new co-design methodology in which we integrate the stakeholders and the modeling loops. In fact, the definition of the sustainable adaptation pathways describing the possible current and future dynamics of the water-scarce critical zone systems directly involves the stakeholders partnering with us in the project. As such, they become active creators and also end users of the scientific outcomes of the project. This approach also helps us identifying the main knowledge gaps for a better formulation of the policy guidelines for the long-term sustainability of the water-scarce critical zones.
Interaction project sees a strong participation of women and early career scientists with prominent roles. Female researchers are leading or co-leading 5 work packages out of 6, and also the coordinator is a woman, Silvia Giammerini from CNR. The project will strongly support early career scientists, and the project partners will engage 5 young researchers, in particular 1 postdoc student, 2 PhD students, 1 postgraduate grant, and 1 master student.